Garments defects, causes and remedies. Trim bleeding. Causes: trim quality not as per specification. Garment finishing not appropriate. Remedies: internal QC checks, good quality trims. Garment label should contain care instructions. Garment finishing should follow the manufacturer's care instructions for trim. Uncut threads. Causes: it appears as a result of incorrect finishing or cutting. Remedies: use AUBT or thread trimmer. Operator education: the finishing of the garments should be properly inspected. Shade variation. Causes: variations in the time and speed of the production process, such as the dyeing process. Incorrect pile direction for polar fleece, velvet, and corduroy. Combining various textiles used in manufacturing. Inaccurate numbering, bundling, and ear trimming. Remedies: a change in shade can be efficiently avoided by using the same base material and parameter set for each production batch. It is crucial to check that workers combine outfits of the same color when touring a facility that manufactures raw materials. The incorrect pairing of cuts that differ in shade is avoided by properly numbering the various textile types. Out of tolerance sizing. Causes: incorrect information provided by cutting and sewing operators. Remedies: ensure that the dimension specifications are available to the operators. Ensure proper pattern making. Inspect the first piece of each size in an order.